Okay, so moving along with our development process, in this video, we're going to cover steps 2 and 3 of creating our class and also creating a new component for our menu. Okay, so let's go ahead and swing over to Visual Studio Code because now we're going to do some Angular coding. And let's go ahead and open up a new terminal window. So let me zoom in here from our terminal window, and let's go ahead and generate that new class. Okay, so we see that it created that product category.ts file for us. So I'll swing in over here and I'll open up that file. So it's under common product category.ts. So we need to add two properties here, one for ID and another property for a category name. All right, so that looks pretty good. Now let me expand my window here and again zoom into my terminal. So for step 3, we need to create a new component for our menu. So our component will be called product category menu. Okay, great. It created some files for us. So let's look under components and there's a new directory here, product category menu. All right, good job. So let's go ahead and open up our product category menu component.ts. So for our component, let's define our property for product categories. It's an array of those product category items. And then in our constructor, let's go ahead and inject our product service. In our ng-on-init method, let's call this.list product categories. This is a method that we'll create to actually call our service. So let's remove the placeholder code here. And let's add our own custom code. So the first thing we need to do is invoke the service. So this.productService.get product categories .subscribe. And now notice at this point, there's an error message for get product categories because we don't have that method yet in our service. We'll fix this issue in the next video. So at the moment here, we'll say data, and I'll say console.log. So I'm going to log the data returned from the service. So I make use of that JSON.stringify to take a given object and display it in JSON format. And then we simply assign the data to our property. So assign it to our this.product categories. Alrighty, so that covers the coding here for our component for calling our service. But there's still some more work to do, and we'll do that in the next video.